The topic we have to talk today is quadratic equations. What do you mean by quadratic equations? When x is a variable, a combination of x. When x is a variable, a combination of x. When x is a variable, a combination of x is said an expression. Now, the expression when the index is 1, we call it a linear equation. And when the index is 2, we call it a quadratic equation. When the index is 3, the largest index is 3, you call it a cubic equations. In this certain subject, we are talking of quadratic equations. To write a quadratic equation, now, we want to find a general form to denote a quadratic equation. This is not a general form. Whilst walking, if I put 1 here, it's a different expression. Whilst walking, if I put a 1 here, is a different expression. Whilst walking, if I put a 1 here, is another expression. Whilst coming back, if I make it something like this, is another expression. If I put some value line like this, is another equation. Therefore, to denote a quadratic equation, what we do is we use English simple letters ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. But when we denote a quadratic expression like this, by chance, if this a becomes 0, it would be 0 times x square bx plus c, then 0 times x square, it goes off bx plus c. It will no longer be a quadratic expression, it will be a linear expression. Therefore, when denoting a quadratic expression, it's important that we got to say a not equal to 0, ax square plus bx plus c is the general form to denote a quadratic expression. We say is the general form to denote a quadratic expression, but the topic is quadratic equations. Now, this is a quadratic expression. When ax square plus bx plus z made equal to 0, it becomes equation. When there is an equation mark, is equation. Now, the general form to denote the quadratic equation would be a not equal to 0, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0.